if x equal to minus 1 by 2 is a zero of the polynomial p of x is equal to 8x cubed minus kx square minus x plus 2, find the value of k. Thì hành đi học find the value trong unu k để cắt nó là đầu x equal to minus 1 by 2. Solution. Ta kemudian x is equal to minus 1 by 2 kalau ada pai lupa mah. Ta kemudian hajakan ni equation kedai kemudian 8x cubed implies 8x cubed minus kx square minus x plus 2 equal to 0 mah. Number is 0 of the polynomial equal to 0 implies 8x cubed kemudian 8 into x cubed day minus 1 by 2 whole thing cube minus k into x square x u minus 1 by 2 whole thing square minus x biang minus x day minus 1 by 2 plus 2 equals 0 implies 8 into the minus 1 kemudian minus into minus equal plus. Kita minta plus biang into minus long minus nomor minus d cube din am kemudian sin multiply minus into minus long plus into minus biang long minus. Kita kemudian minus 1 cube day 1 into long ni 1 into 1 is equal to 1. The into 1 biang long adalah 1 the 2 cube long 2 into 2 long 4. Kemudian 4 into 2 long 8. Lai sin u2 way are lai kemudian 2 cube long 8 mah. 8 minus k into the minus square din am square r sin kemudian minus into minus long plus kemudian plus 1 into 1 day 1 into 1 long 1 da 2 square 2 into 2 long 4 the minus into minus long plus 1 by 2 plus 2 equal to 0 implies then they have done multiply hang ni kemudian ngilak ban cross cancel kini at 5 tunu 8 1 na 8 8 1 a 8 te kemudian sa stang 1 into uni 1 day 1 mah into minus 1 ta minus into plus long minus mah minus into but new plus the minus k into 1 long k tu new 4 1 ra bisa po mah plus 1 by 2 plus 2 equal to 0 implies plus hani di plus mah plus into minus long minus 1 minus k by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus 2 equal to 0 implies minus 1 ora tu 2 sini plus 2 minus k by 4 plus 1 by 2 equal to 0 implies plus but minus long minus ni minus 1 plus 2 minus into plus long minus muang la bo minus da 2 minus 1 long 1 tu he u2 he u ya 1 din am te habo he u2 u hakmat u2 de u plus din am te mod ni ro de plus kamot 1 mah minus k by 4 plus 1 by 2 equal to 0 te menta kalau one fraction te hapo kini denominator jeng fraction ni kini asli berin hapo jeng fraction kini kila ka jong ta kadau ngi hapsim LCM mah the LCM of 4 and 2 4 but 2 LCM mah 2 2 to 1 2 1 that is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4 the LCM de 4 mah de 4 ta hang ni hapo trong une de 1 bet mah nam dan e kemut 1 te 4 divide the 1 mah 1 4 a 4 ni nam tu ni 4 ra hang ni bo hang ni 4 into you ni 1 mah minus te 4 divide the 4 4 divide 4 le 1 4 1 a 4 uni ra hang ni long 1 into badan ni de ai okay ta bo ki mah te plus 2 the 4 divide the 2 2 2s are 4 minus your 0 to ni 2 ra hang ni ma 2 into 1 equal to 0 implies 4 into 1 long 4 minus 1 into k long k 1 into k long k một 1 k hi tambah hanya to ingi tho pe tang k ma mar balai da tho k ko một yu ni di 1 ma một 1 into k long 1 k plus 2 into 1 long 2 divided by 4 equal to 0 implies 4 hang ne udah divide den am udan hapo kamot de divide ma udan hapo dara ashte kala multiply kamot long kumni 4 minus k plus 2 equal to 0 into 4 lah kala multiply ma implies the 4 plus 2 hang ne plus 4 but plus 2 long 6 minus k equal to 4 into 0 long 0 implies minus k equal hani di plus 6 ma hani den plus 6 darah ni kala minus 6 te implies udne minus minus cancel lang ma markaju hani minus ni minus cancel lang kamu habakut sa astang k is equal to 6 answer